Hi there. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Valley of Despair. Actually, the Valley of Despair is the catchy nickname of one portion of the emotional cycle of voluntary change, as put forward by psychologists Don Kelly and Daryl Connor in a 1979 publication. You're probably asking how or why this might be relevant to your situation. Writing a great personal statement hinges on your ability to demonstrate insights into your own mental and emotional states while also telling a compelling narrative. Learning about this model of the emotional stages that people go through as they begin something new will help you to reflect on your own experiences and pick out the ones that exemplify traits you hope to show in your essay. I'll explain. Have you ever decided to take up a new hobby, whether it's a sport like basketball or a language or an instrument? Invariably, as you begin, you will go through some version of the stages put forward by Kelly and Connor in their emotional cycle of change. You might first imagine, before your first French class, that you'll soon be strolling the streets of Paris and striking up witty conversations in French at coffee shops. Or that you'll be shredding a guitar solo in a band before you've ever started practicing the guitar. This first stage is called uninformed optimism. At this point, you're imagining achieving your ultimate goal, and you tend to skip over all the hard work that's necessary to get to that goal. You don't yet know what you don't know, and you feel confident you'll achieve your goals. However, as you start this undertaking, regardless of what it is, you tend to get smacked in the face with harsh reality that what you thought would be easy is not. This second stage is called informed pessimism. Unfortunately, even as we persevere through initial difficulties, our ultimate goal, which we thought would be easy, might seem even further away than before we started. Trying to conjugate IR and ER verbs in French is a long way from flirting on the Champs-Élysées. Congratulations, you are now in the Valley of Despair. This is the stage at which most casual hobbyists will give up. The goal seems impossible, and they decide, who needs French? Let's learn Portuguese. And then they'll go back to the first stage. If, however, you're able to persevere and you grind your way through the Valley of Despair, you will invariably find yourself beginning to feel like you're making progress towards your ultimate goal. This feeling of forward movement is the beginning of stage 4, informed optimism. Informed optimism is the stage where you know the difficulties of your endeavor, but you also know you've put in the work and that you're up to the task of handling these difficulties. At this point, you've exited the Valley of Despair. Now, there are two ways I think the concept of the Valley of Despair is helpful for you now. 1. All great achievements have had low points where the ultimate goal seemed impossible. Thinking of these low points is a great place to start a narrative for a personal statement. 2, you may find yourself thinking that writing your personal statement is impossible right now. Congratulations, you're in the valley. This is a necessary stage on the road to achieving anything. Everyone will feel this way at some point, and I promise you'll be able to work your way through it. All right, let's keep grinding our way towards informed optimism. Have a great day.